So we're back again, working on the Miata. We're gonna start welding the flooring today. I've already got started. I'm grinding down what needs to be welded, get a clean surface to bond to, and we're gonna weld it in. So yeah, we got this all cleaned up. Put the floor in right over here. So I'm getting it grinded down to have a good clean place to weld to. Just got to finish up this side a little bit. I think I'm just going to put the floor in for now, and then I can get to underneath and kind of fix up this area. I kind of hacked it, getting the floor out to begin with. And then we got to, from here to there, kind of build a better structure piece. But I can get to that from the bottom. So we'll work on getting the floor in first and kind of close this hole up. Put the floor in and see what that looks like. That looks pretty good. So like I said before, it might be fixing it from the bottom. I'm still debating on if it looks like we will need a support beam in the bottom. So I'll go find a piece of metal and we can weld that in there, and I'll make sure everything is all lined up properly. Ain't going nowhere. So I got generator running, but we got the brace in. Now I'll try to get that plate in before it gets too dark. And I gotta put everything up. So I'm gonna try to tack this in and get it in place for the night. All right, well, I know it don't show on camera, but it just got dark. I can't even see what I'm doing. That'll be the next upgrade for the tent. We'll get some lights for it, so hell, we can stay out here even when it's dark, just keep on working. But right now, I'm having to deal with being outside and it getting dark super early. So I got what I could do within this past hour. I'm gonna put the welder and the generator away, and we'll get back to it tomorrow. I appreciate y'all if you're watching this, and I know that this will be a kind of quick video, but that's just because that's the kind of time I have right now. And I missed a couple days because of being busy working or because of the rain. And today it didn't rain, so we got lucky. I tried to get out and get what I could get done. So I appreciate it, and we'll see y'all in the next one.